Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your Apple Pay card number, and this is the card physical card you have added to your Apple Wallet. So first of all, subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now let's go to our settings, and here you want to scroll down until you see a wallet and Apple Pay. As you can see, there's a card there. And you can see the last four numbers of this card. And you can also go to this card and then also see a card number, but you cannot actually see the whole numbers because for security reasons, and you have already added this physical card. So if you don't have your physical card with you, or maybe you have lost it, just call your bank, block it, and order a new one, just to be safe. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.